Exercise 9.6. Question number 1. Multiply the following fractions. Okay, in early we have done addition and subtraction of fractions, but in that we have to take a LCM and we have to do denominator same. But in multiply, not to take LCM. Okay, directly we can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. We can multiply. So number 1 is 5 upon 7. Multiply 2 upon 5. So we will write 5 multiplied by 2 upon 7 multiplied by 5. So we directly multiply. 5 2 is 10 and 7 5 is 35. So our answer is 10 upon 35. Now we have to make this in a simplest form. So this both will come in same table, 10 and 35. So in 5 table it will come. Yes. So 5 2 is 10 and 5 7 is 35. So this is our answer. Now number 2, 3 upon 13 multiply by 5 upon 12. So we will multiply directly. 3 multiply by 5 upon 13 multiply by 12. So 3 5 is 15. 13 multiply by 12. So we multiply and see. 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 digits are there. So we will write 1 0. 1 3 is 3. 1 1 is 1. So we will add now. 6 plus 0 6. 2 plus 3 5 and 1 we will come down. So 15 upon 156. So now answer is 15 upon 156. This now we have to make in a smallest form. So this both will come in 3 table. So we will divide. 3 5 is 15 and we will divide 156 by 3. So we will take 2 digit 15. 3 5 is 15. So 15 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. This 6 we will carry down. So 3 2 is 6. So in 3 table when 156 will come, 352 is. So this is our answer. Now number 3, 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 12. So we will write 3 multiply by 5 upon 2 multiply by 12. So 3 5 is 15 and 2 12 is 24. So our fraction is 15 upon 24. So this both will come in 3 table. Yes, 3 5 is 15 and 3 8 is 24. So we will divide by 3. So 3 5 is 15 and 3 8 is 24. So this is our answer. Now number 4, 27 upon 2 multiply by 7 upon 8. So 27 multiply by 7 upon 2 multiply by 8. So 27 7 7 7 49. So 9 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 7 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 18. So 189 upon 2 8 is 16. So this fraction we can't able to make in a smallest fraction. So our final answer is 189 upon 16. This both will not come in same table. So we will write this fraction only as a answer. Now number 5, 9 upon 11 multiply by 5. Here denominator is not given, so we will write here 1. So 9 multiply by 5 upon 11 multiply by 1. So 9 5 is 45. 11 1 is 11. So fraction is 45 upon 11. So here answer 45 upon 11. Now these two fraction also it will not come in same table, 45 and 11. So we will write same answer, 45 upon 11. Now question number 2, find the following. So number 1, 3 upon 4 of 100 rupees. So we have to find the fraction 3 upon 4 of 100 rupees. So here what we will do, 3 upon 4 multiply by 100. So here denominator not there, so we will consider as a 1. Now we will multiply 3 multiply by 100 upon 4 multiply by 1. So 300 is 300, 4 1s 4. Now we have to divide 300 divided by 4. So in 4 table we have to take 2 digit 30. So 4 7s 28. Okay, 4 8s 32. It is a greater number, so we can't able to subtract. So we will take 4 7s 28. So 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we will carry from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8 2. 2 minus 2 0. Now this 0 we will carry down. It will become 20. So 4 5s 20. So 20 minus 20 we will get 0. So 4 75s 300. So our answer 75 rupees. So 3/4 of 100 rupees equal to how much? 75 rupees. Now number 2, 1/5 of 85. So we have to find how much 1/5 of 85. So we will write 1 upon 5 multiply by 85. Here denominator not there, so we will put 1. So 1 multiply by 85 upon 5 multiply by 1. So 185 is 85, 5 1s 5. So now we have to divide 5 1s 5. So 8 minus 5 3. So this 5 we will carry down. 35, 5 7s 35. So 35 minus 35 0. So our answer equal to 17. So we will write here answer 17. So 1/5 of 85 equal to 17. Now number 3, 9 upon 200 of 1000. So 9 upon 200 multiply by 1000 upon 1. So 9 multiply by 1000 upon 200 multiply by 1. So 9 multiply by 1000 we get 9000 upon 200. So now we have to divide. So we will take 3 digits 900. So 200 4s 800. So we have to subtract. So 9 minus 8 1. So this 0 we will carry down. It will become 1000. So 200 5s 1000. So we will subtract. So we get answer 45. So 9 upon 200 of 1000 equal to 45. Now number 4, 5 upon 6 of 66 centimeter. So 5 upon 6 multiply by 66. Here denominator not there, so we will keep 1. So 5 multiply by 66 upon 6 multiply by 1. So 5 multiply by 66. So 66 multiply by 5 equal to 5 6 30. So 0, 3 will be carried over. 5 6 30. 30 plus 3 33. So we get 330 upon 6 1s 6. So now we have to divide 330 divided by 6. So in 6 table when 33 will come, 6 5s 30, 6 6 36. So we will take 6 5s 6 5s 30. So 3 minus 0 3 and 3 minus 3 0 and this 0 we will carry down. It will become 30. So in 6 table when 30 will come, 6 5s 30. So 30 minus 30 0. So we get answer 55 centimeter. So here what measure is given, that we have to write. Centimeter is given, so we have to write 55 centimeter. Next, now number 5, 7 upon 8 of a day. So 7 upon 8. So of a day means in one day how many hours? 24 hours. So we will multiply 24 hours. So in denominator we will keep 1. So 7 multiply by 24 upon 8 multiply by 1. So 7 24s. So 24 multiply by 7. 7 4s 28a. So 2 will be carried down. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. So 168 upon 8. So now we have to divide. 8 2s are 16. So 16 minus 16, 0. This 8 we will carry down. 8 1s are 8. So our answer equal to 21 hours. So now next 5 upon 12 of an hour. So now 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So 5 upon 12 multiply by 60 minutes. So we will write denominator 1. So 5 multiply by 60 upon 12 multiply by 1. So 5 60s we will multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 6s are 30. 300 upon 12. So now we have to divide. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. So we will take 12 2s are 24. So 0 minus 4 is not possible. So from 3 we will borrow. So it will become 2 and 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 4, 6 and 2 minus 2, 0. Then this 0 we will carry down. It will become 60. So 12 5s are 60. So 60 minus 60 we will get 0. So what is our answer? 25 minutes. So 5 upon 12 of an hour equal to 25 minutes. Now question number 3. Find the reciprocal of the following fractions. Now we have to find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? The reciprocal fraction of a given fraction is that fraction which when multiplied by the given fraction gives the product 1. So here first number 3 upon 7 is there. Okay, numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. So now we have to write in reciprocal means denominator will change into numerator and this numerator will change into denominator. And when we will multiply this fraction, so we will get answer 1. So see, so first one is 3 upon 7. So we will write reciprocal of 3 upon 7 equal to 7 upon 3. Means the numerator change into denominator and this denominator change into numerator. Means 3 upon 7 means 7 upon 3. So whenever we will multiply 3 upon 7 multiply by 7 upon 3. So means 3 7s are 21 and 7 3s are 21. So when numerator and denominator are same, so what we will get? We will get 1. So this is the reciprocal. Now number 2, 18. So here denominator is not there, so we will keep here 1 as a denominator. So reciprocal of 18 upon 1 equal to 1 upon 18. So in bracket we have to write 18 upon 1 multiply by 1 upon 18 equal to 18 1s are 18, 1 8s are 18. So whenever numerator and denominator are same, so we will get answer 1. Now number 3, 11 upon 13. So reciprocal of 11 upon 13 equal to 13 upon 11. It will change. Numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. So 11 upon 13 multiply by 13 upon 11 equal to, so we have to multiply. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So we will write 1 0, 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1. So 3 3 plus 1 4, 143. So 143 upon 143 equal to 1. Now number 4, 23 upon 9. So reciprocal of 23 upon 9 equal to 9 upon 23. So in bracket we will write 23 upon 9 multiply by 9 upon 23 equal to, we will get here 1. Okay, we will get, whenever we are multiply, we will get same answer in numerator and denominator. So we will get answer 1. Now number 5, 35 upon 9. So reciprocal of 35 upon 9 equal to 9 upon 35. So when we will multiply 35 upon 9 multiply by 9 upon 35 equal to 1. Now number 6, 25 upon 2. So reciprocal of 25 upon 2 equal to 2 upon 25. And when we will multiply 25 upon 2 multiply by 2 upon 25 equal to 1.